Shaily Engineering Plastics on August 11th posted their Q1 FY26 results. Let's break down their performance. Revenue jumped up 38% to reach 247 crores, while net profit more than doubled, up 136% to 41 crores. EBITDA margin jumped up 840 basis points to 28.5%, showing efficiency alongside growth. Their healthcare segment exploded with 181% growth, reaching 77 crores worth of revenue. The total contribution of this segment to the revenue doubled from just 15% last year to 31% this year. The reason is they've officially started commercial production of GLP-1 diabetes pens, the same technology that is used for popular weight loss drugs like Ozempic. They're India's largest exporter of plastic components with around 200 injection molding machines across 7 facilities in Gujarat. About 76% of their revenue comes from exports, making them a truly global player. Their MD and CEO Amit Sanghvi announced that they're adding 90 new machines to add about 25 million pen capacity by Q2, with plans to invest about 125 crores by FY26 for further expansion. The management expects the healthcare business to drive significant revenue and profitability over the next 2 years. With the global GLP-1 market expanding and Shaily being one of the few companies capable of manufacturing these specialized pens, they have a great opportunity ahead. About 50 to 60% of their expanded capacity is already backed by customer commitments. Their industrial segment saw a 6% decline in revenue, but when asked about it, the management clarified that they had a major product launch in Q1 FY25, creating a high base effect, meaning that they haven't actually lost business, it's just a timing issue. Their machine utilization, however, sits at only 49% in Q1 FY26, meaning that they are operating at less than 50% of their manufacturing capacity. And although it has significantly improved from just 39% last year, it is still well below optimal levels. And with the capacity expansion that they're planning, the numbers will only get worse. On top of that, they have a heavy dependency on a few big customers for their future capacity utilization. Additionally, with about three-fourths of their revenue coming from exports, geopolitical tensions, currency fluctuations, or global economic fluctuations remain big risks. And trading at around 70 times earnings, the stock is definitely not cheap. So, what do you think? Is Shaily's GLP-1 bet their future growth boost, or are the valuations too stretched? Leave your thoughts in the comments down below and follow the next big thing for more earning updates.